actually hitting the nail on the head. She's trying to wake us up all with a cup of coffee. Tell us,
Well,
Manisha.
absolutely. You know, Lata, next week you would want it more because we are working on 31st and 1st as well, while most international markets are not. But for India, well, yes, the demand is expected to go higher. And if you look at the prices in this year, well, we've done exceptionally well for the producers, of course, not for consumers. So the Arabica coffee prices are trading near record highs at around $3.2 a pound. This is the prices that are trading in today. And the all-time highs also have been seen in the month of December at $3.5 a pound. That was recorded on December of 10th. So if you look at the prices on where they are, we've seen 70% of gains in case of Arabica prices. This is the highest that we've seen in 1977. And if you don't drink Arabica, but Robusta is a coffee of your choice, well, there's no respite there as well, because the Robusta prices also have gained up by 90% in 2024. We've seen prices double up in this current year itself. Well, there are a lot of reasons that we have seen prices gain up. One, there has been adverse weather conditions in most of the producing countries, including Brazil and Vietnam. Much of the coffee, whether it's Arabica or Robusta, is produced between these two countries there. Apart from that, it has been about below average rainfall in Brazil, which produces 70% of Arabica for the world there. In Minas Gerais, that is where most of the coffee is produced, we have seen disruption in crop growth as well. There have been concerns in sense of inventories there as well, and that has been keeping prices higher. There also are reports that for 2025 and 26 as well, it could be a fifth straight year of deficit. There are concerns of 5% crop shortfall into that one too. There also is a report from World Cafe, which by the way is the largest coffee trader in the world, saying that the Brazil Arabica production could decline by 11 million bags to 34.4 million there. There also are strong global consumption numbers. And while the fundamentals are on the stronger side, you also are looking at a lot of speculative money riding on this run as well. And most coffee chains by now have raised their prices and expected to do more in 2025 as well. The markets also are looking at concerns when it comes to transport facilities, higher freight costs. And then there are various reports on how producers are holding on to whatever coffee stocks they have. They expect better prices in 2025 as well. So it's going to be yet another year where you will be looking at higher coffee prices.
Okay, that's not good. That's not at all good, Manisha. I'm like quite an addict. But anyway, we have to take what we get. Let's shift focus from coffee and commodities back to stocks and equities.